Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Opera Chima Glory and you're watching Glitera Eshua. So today I want to be showing us another tutorial on how to make a 3D logo on Photogy app. This is an app that you wouldn't find on Play Store. So if you're looking for the app and you want to install it on your phone, please check my description list on how to do that for yourself, and I'll just go right into the video. So first of all, you know that you are meant to have your design ready, and then when you have your design ready, all you have to do is open the app and then you tap on new projects. That's to open a new project for your design. Then you go over to this sticker down here, you tap on it, and all you have to do next is tap on insert from gallery. Now you go ahead and import your design. So I'll be using without crop. Alright, so this is the design I'll be using, and I want to increase the size, so I'll go and choose size to increase the size. Okay, and then all I have to do next is to tap on this tree icon up here, this three dot icon, tap on it, and then I'll tap on convert to 3D mockup. Sorry, then don't mind the language, tap on this green one over here and wait. So you have to allow the mockup to load. I don't know what's really wrong with my own Photogy, but yours might be okay for you. You just go ahead and use that. You can see I can't use this one. If I tap on it, it's not going to work, but I can use any of them showing these signs. So I'll go ahead to the one I'll be using for this tutorial. I don't really like this one, so I'll just go ahead, and when I say the one I like, I'll go ahead and use it. See this mockup, you can also use it if you want to. Maybe we'll use it in our next tutorial, but let's go for something else. You can also see that 3D wool here, but mine is not ready. I can't use it, so maybe I'll go for they have so many 3D mockups that you can choose from. They have so many you can choose from, so I'll just go ahead and use the previous one I saw, which is this. Then tap on accept.
و ندونستنش میتونه برنامه‌های زندگی تو به هم بریزه. با ثبت کردن این ویزا و سیت پریودت خیال خودت راحت کن و همیشه مراقب سلامتی باش. پریود اپلیکیشنی که هر دختری باید نصب داشته باشه. همین الان نصبش کن.
So once the ad is done loading, mind you, this green something popping up, it's install. It's install. I don't really understand the language, but I think I know what it is. It is install. So I'll just tap on back and then wait for your design to load. So the next icon, when you see a message successfully sent to server, you tap on this right one over here, then you allow it to mock up. And I think there's another advert you need to watch, but it's already loaded, so tap on back, and here is your design. So if you want to import, all you have to do is tap on this black one here, and it's going to import to your gallery. So let's see our design.